Hi, what's up? Okay, so I'm out, I'm traveling, and here is my Oreo. Oreo, look good, behave good, okay? So, something new is happening, a lot of new things are coming. Hi, Ranjana. Alright. So, first of all, thank you so much for unconditional love and the support. Just, I need to just have one thing to say that it was unexpected and I feel so good. See, did you like it? आती हूँ चाय पे बुलाओगे तो आऊंगी ना मैं. I'm in my house and new changes are happening, so yeah. First of all, thank you so much for all the birthday wishes, and indeed it's very very special. And just want to say one thing that it means a lot to me. Did not expected 1 million in such a short span of time. I think it's just a 2 week. Y'all have created magic. I think Rashmi's कुछ decide कर ले तो वो हर एक चीज़ कर सकती है ना. My baby. Okay, he's a little camera shy. कैमरा रख दो तो वो भाग जाता है. छोड़ यू वेट. वो कैमरे से भागता है दूर. एंड I love you too. So guys, I want to tell you thank you so much for the birthday wishes and the surprise you all have given me. I think it was unplanned and you all have worked really hard. Just 15 days के अंदर इतना magic create करना is definitely actually miracle for me. And I feel I'm very super strong. I have just been to Jammu. Yes, y'all were right. Y'all were guessing right. I was not in Dubai. I was in Jammu. And I went to Mata's Darshan. And every year I go. Hi, Yuvraj. How are you? Every year I go. Every year I take blessings. And that's how I start my birthday month. Prefer it that way. And then if I'm shooting, I'll go out for shoot. Or else I'll go with my family. And that's what I'm planning this year. I just want to share something very beautiful with you guys. This is what is happening in my house. So please share your lots of love and blessings and see you soon. And I'll share my birthday plans very soon. Thank you. Any questions you guys have? कैसे हो? Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, that's clap for background singer. I will definitely tell them. मेरे घर पर आज पूजा हो रही है. Like I said, new changes are happening. So, I have a lot to share, but I'll share it with the time. Why am I so beautiful? I think that's a secret I won't share. I think I also love Turkey. I've shopped a lot from Turkey, and I think I missed baklava the other day only. I was talking to somebody, and यार मैं उसे हमेशा से पसंद करती आई हूँ, नॉट ओनली फ्रॉम द शो अदरवाइज ऑल्सो, एंड शी इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल गर्ल, आई लव हर, एंड बट मोर देन दैट मुझे अभिनव बहुत अच्छे लगे, एंड वेरी ग्रेसफुली एंड डिग्निटी वाइज ही इज़ प्लेइंग, आई मस्ट से। एंड बहुत सारे मेरे दोस्त हैं, राहुल इज़ अ वेरी डियर फ्रेंड, ही इज़ अ फैबुलस सिंगर, देवलीना इज़ माई हार्ट, and Nikki is very very cute and looking super hot. And yeah guys, please don't ask me for the live, मैं ये live रखने नहीं वाली हूँ शायद तक, I'm still thinking, sometimes I might keep, you're looking damn pretty. Oh thank you, actually I tried doing this new thing, I hope you all liked it. Let me know. Uh-huh. Devolina is piece of my heart. शी इज़ वेरी वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड। लोगों को बिग बॉस में बहुत सारे लाइफ पार्टनर मिले हैं। मैंने फ्रेंडशिप कमाई है फॉर एवर, एंड देवोशमी रॉक्स। ये यार आपको मुझसे ज़्यादा पता है, आपको बताना चाहिए ये कौन जीतेगा, BB14 कौन जीतेगा। थैंक यू देवांशी, आई लव यू टू 7696। मायरा से बात हुई, इंस्टा DM पे बात हो जाती है रेयरली कभी कभी, एंड यहाँ उसके फोटोज़ देखती हूँ, बड़ी हॉट हो रही है। लो जी, थैंक यू सो मच वीजी, थैंक यू। वीजी इज विकास। Cutie pie, I have. Okay, guys, I am actually going and planning something with my family this time on the birthday. So I shall share a lot of things and lot of pictures from the place which I'm going to visit. And yeah, I have received so many birthday gifts and all, which I will share. मैं आप लोगों से ज़रूर कहूँगी और उन्हें आपको बताऊँगी भी। अब लखनऊ लेकर जाने वाली तो मुझे आरती थी, अब आरती खुद ही गायब है, जाकर आ चुकी है 4-5 बार, तो मुझे खुद को ही आना पड़ेगा। एंड इफ आई कम देन आई विल लेट यू नो। या आप ही बुला लो। Yeah. Hi, I have to say Bangladesh and New Jersey and Turkey, Indonesia and lot of places. I wanted to tell you guys that आप लोगों ने बहुत सारे गिफ्ट्स भेजे हैं, and I'm really blessed. But to be very honest, you don't have to trouble yourself. Your love is enough and sufficient for me, and you have to remember that your love is important for me. And the project which I'm going to be part of, I will just say that just show your love and encourage me, motivate me, and that's it. This is what I want. I don't want anything else. I don't want you to trouble yourself. I don't want anything. Your love and your blessing and your support is enough. Makes me more stronger. Alright? And you guys take care of yourself. I will see you guys soon, and just want to say that I was so emotional yesterday that आप लोगों ने within like 14-15 days 1 million hashtag जो रश्मि देसाई बनाया है, which is like I actually get very emotional by all these things क्योंकि I think about lot other people. मेरे बारे में आप लोग जो सोचते हो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, and I get really emotional. Okay now, so I'll have to say that thank you so much, and I'll share soon with my family few good memories, and yeah, पूजा जो हम कर रहे हैं वो भी हम आपको जल्दी बताएंगे. I love you.